Hi there, and welcome to this LoftZone guide on choosing and installing the right loft ladder for your home.
Loft ladders are a great way to safely access your loft, but there's a few important things to know about fitting and using them before you get started. Choosing the right type of ladder. The first question when choosing a ladder is the material used for it. Most commonly, loft ladders are made of aluminium or timber. If you're only going to be using your loft for occasional access, then a cheaper aluminium ladder may be the best option. If you want to access your loft more frequently, then you may want to consider a timber loft ladder. These cost more and are heavier, but are sturdier and often look smarter. Keep in mind the height your ladder needs to reach too. 2-section loft ladders offer a much smaller maximum height compared to 3-section styles or a concertina ladder. Check the height you need from the top of your loft boarding to the floor below before making your purchase. Checking the loft hatch. Not all hatches are the same size. To use bigger ladders, you may need to enlarge the hole first and fit a new hatch. Some ladders come with a hatch. In this case, it was bought separately.
If you're not confident installing a loft hatch yourself, you can use Nationwide Loft Storage to find an approved installer near you.
Fitting your ladder. Unless you've bought a ladder that is already fixed to the hatch, you'll need to secure your ladder in the loft. You can screw the ladder to a joist or a board. As well as the 2 hinges, many ladders have guide rails at the top or a spring-assisted pivot arm instead. If you're using LoftZone, it's easiest to fix the ladder to a board supported by a metal beam, or you can use timber. Using your loft. When you're using your loft, it's important to keep in mind that squashing the insulation doubles the heat loss and can cause condensation. Whether it's boards or boxes, this can be a serious problem. Similarly, trying to find joists to step on when the loft is full of insulation can be dangerous. If you need to use your loft for storage or access, we therefore recommend the StoreFloor product. StoreFloor is a raised loft floor which protects insulation by creating a storage deck above it.
Hopefully this guide has helped you with some of the key things to look out for when purchasing a loft ladder. If you do have any other queries, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below or find all of our links in the description box. Thank you very much for watching.